We have the head, which is very easy to see the head here. Nice big round projection. And look here, this fits right in that acetabulum. And that gives us, that's one of those joints that gives us that free range of motion. Remember one of those synovial joints, right? This and the shoulder give us the most free range motion in our body, okay? So we have the head. This little indention here, this little looks like a little thumbprint right there, that is the fovea capitis. Okay. Alright. We have, and if we flip it over on the back side, again kind of like the tuberosities on the top, we have trochanters here. So we have a greater trochanter and a lesser trochanter. Again, very similar to the humerus, as in the greater is on the outside and the lesser is more towards the head. Okay, so greater and lesser trochanter. Linea aspera, right back here. Right. Then we have the medial condyle. So if we, I'm going to show this to you on the back side. So this is towards the body, right? So the medial is going to be here, okay, and lateral is going to be over here. Now then we have the epicondyle, which epi just means above. So we have the medial epicondyle and lateral epicondyle. Everybody with me on that? Okay. Then we have the patella. I don't have a whole leg except on one of the skeletons, which we'll look at in a minute. And it's just one little small individual bone that fits there. That's your kneecap. You can actually kind of, if you relax your knee, you can move it around. That's your kneecap. Then we have the tibia. Okay. This is the tibia. And this is going to be my right tibia. Okay. Because your tibia makes your inside ankle, part of your ankle, right? So this is going to be my right tibia. Okay. So we have our lateral condyle, right? And again, this is going to be lateral and medial condyle. So lateral and medial. Okay. Tibial tuberosity. Okay. And then finally, our medial malleolus, which is what we call the piece that makes up our ankle. Okay. Then we have the fibula. Okay. And I know, again, another one you have to look at. You see how much flatter that is, like the acromion, and this has a little divot in it? So this is going to be the lateral malleolus. This makes up the outside of the ankle. Okay? So this is the lateral malleolus of the fibula. Just note this is the head. You don't have to worry about it. But it's the one that has the flat is not the malleolus, right? That articulates with the bone there. Then we have our foot somewhere. We have, again, it goes in the same order with